In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom not responding Windows 10. If Zoom ever freezes, won't open, or stops responding on your Windows 10 PC, the quickest way to recover is to force close it and give it a fresh start. We'll walk through exactly how to do that safely and correctly so you can get back to your meeting fast. First, try opening the Zoom app as you normally would. If it loads and responds, great, you're good to go. But if the window is stuck, grayed out, or clicking doesn't do anything, don't worry. That simply means the app has hung in the background and needs to be closed from the system side. To do that, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This brings up a Windows security screen. From there, choose Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a compact view with a short list, click More Details in the bottom left corner to expand it. You'll now see the full list of processes running on your computer, organized by category. Look for Zoom in the Processes tab. It may appear under Apps as Zoom or Zoom Meetings, and in some cases you might see more than one Zoom process, including background items. Click on Zoom to highlight it, then click End Task in the bottom right corner of Task Manager. If you see additional Zoom entries like multiple Zoom.exe items, end those as well to